Gusto mong pumayat pero ayaw mong gumalaw. Eh di wow. Tandaan, ang weight loss po pwedeng ma-achieve with calorie deficit. Pero kung pagkain lamang ang babawasan mo at hindi ka gagalaw-galaw, kulang pa rin yan kapatid. Tandaan, the body is built for survival. Yung exercise mo magbo-boost ng muscle retention, metabolismo, mood, at yung heart health mo. Hindi kinakailangan gym agad. You can start with the following. 5K lamang na steps per day, tapos magpo-progress tayo to 10K steps per day. 10 minutes of morning movement, and then we progress to 30 minutes. 3 times a week home workouts, and then we progress to 5 times a week. Iswap po ninyo ang 30 minutes na scrolling time ninyo sa social media to 30 minutes na paglalakad. This can burn more than 150 calories. Depende po sa intensity. Yung sugary drinks ninyo, after a meal, tanggalin po ninyo yan. Go for more cold water or herbal tea. Malamigan pareho pero low calorie or wala ang calories. At kung minukuha kayong value po sa video na to, i-comment ang move at ito na ang sign mo to stand up and start your movement. At yun, almost 1 minute na to. I hope you're all 1 minute wiser. Pakipusuan. Kung may natutunan, I'll see you next time. Ingat!